Hi, my name is Michael Rückert and I would like to show you how to use acrylic cold mounting resin. We have our Acrylic Clear 2 that consists of two parts, a powder and a liquid. They have to be mixed together, two parts of powder with one part of liquid, stirred carefully, and then you can pour them over the sample and it will cure in between 8 to 12 minutes. With the acrylic resins, it is important that you always wear protective clothing, and it should also be done in a fume cabinet, but for video purposes we have decided to do it outside. For our mounting cups, before we want to use them, we have the Acrylic stick that prevents the resin from sticking to the mounting cups. We spray that into the mounting cup and into the bottom of the cup and let that dry. I have already prepared two mounting cups, so they are ready for use. I have also already prepared my samples. They have been cleaned and dried. That is a very important part of the procedure as well, because if your samples are not clean, the resin will not stick. I put them in the mounting cup and in the center of the mounting cup, and now I can start mixing my resin. I start by taking two parts of powder and then I will add one part of liquid. Now I take my mixing stick and carefully mix the liquid together with the powder. This doesn't take very long, but I have to make sure that it's mixed completely, and also I should not mix too fast because there's a risk of introducing air bubbles into the mixture. Now it is mixed completely and I can take the cup, I use the mixing stick and pour the resin down along the mixing stick over the sample. Like this I can direct it into the correct positions and avoid trapping air. I only fill to about 5 mm from the top of the mount and then go on to the next one. By not filling it up completely, it makes it easier to remove it, and also the samples should not be too high for grinding and polishing, because that will avoid penciling. The pot life of the acrylic resin is relatively short, so I only have about 1 minute to pour the resin over it before it starts to get thick, and then I cannot pour it anymore. Now I only have to wait for 10 to 12 minutes and then I can remove the mounts from the mounting cup. So now after about 10 minutes the samples are cured and ready to be taken out of the mounting cup. You remove the bottom part and simply slide the sample out of the top half. Because we have been using our Acrylic stick, they are very easy to remove. And you can see at the bottom a slide taper, which makes it very easy to go for further grinding and polishing. Now these samples, they were relatively huge and easy to mount. If you have small samples that need some kind of help, you have these mounting clips either in plastic or in stainless steel to hold sample in a certain position and to facilitate cold mounting.